Hello, good afternoon. This is Exec Success. So there is an opportunity that we can start up having our own paper here in Nigeria, because we have paper has been existing, which Nigeria was being limited from what having paper. But recently paper has been launched here in Nigeria, which partner with some fintech called Paga. So Paga has collaborated with paper. For us here in Nigeria, we can receive money through paper and we can be able to exchange it as what into Paga. You can receive money from outside through paper, then you will transfer it into your Paga account and you can convert it to naira. So how you can set up your paper and your own paper account. Now firstly you need to sign up with Paga, which is you sign up, then you what your primary bank is what you click on your primary bank, which is Nigeria, then you register with your phone number. So what you need to do, you need to register with your phone number. So let me just put my own phone number as well. So this is the phone number I'm going to use to create it. So once you click on it, they are going to send you either to your WhatsApp or to your SMS. So I'm clicking to SMS. So I will receive the code right now. So once I receive the code, the next thing to do, so I've received the code, then I'll put the code on it, which is 3011. So once that is done, then you will register with your NIN. You put your NIN on it. So once you put your NIN, now once you put your NIN, the next thing is so I'm putting my own NIN on it right now. So once you put your NIN on it as well, so you'll be able to verify it. Page 6 8 7 4 5. So the next thing is what, so let me log into my own account. So as you log into the account, you'll be verify your account now. So the next thing to do, because you need your NIN and your BVN to register the account. So the next thing after you doing that, the next thing to do is come to what you verify with your email and your phone number. So once you verify with your email, the next thing is what you come to the paper section. See, you see they have created my Nigeria account once I verify my Paga. So then the next thing is what you click on paper. So because I have already opened my own paper, the next thing is that you are going to create a paper account. Normal, you don't need to use any BVN to create any paper account. You just to enter your email, your phone number, your full address of your paper, how it actually be on Paga, then you put it on paper as well. So once you create it, then you come here to link up your paper. You link it, you put the password you use to open the paper. So once you link it together, automatically your paper will actually verify. So for you to increase your limit for paper, so you need to provide your BVN. So once you provide your BVN, so if you want to increase the limit as well, they can ask you some paper bill or some bills or tax clearance. So tax bill, so you'll be able to register and to increase your tax limit. So you can receive any money from any country as a freelancer or personally use. So the next thing to do is that you just click here. So if you want to maybe you wanted to receive funds from someone, you can just send your tag and you will only copy your tag and send it. This is how it be. So my name and everything is actually being on it. then you need to verify everything as well. So once you verify, you can create your own tag, your personal tag for it. So once you create your personal tag, so that is how you can have your own paper. Nigeria is allowing to use paper. So that will be the end of my video. And if you have any information or you wanted to know how to create it as well, I can guide you. And if you have any question, you can comment under the section. So you can subscribe to my channel for more information about how to do that. So if you want to upgrade it, this is how you just click on upgrade. So you click on upgrade, so they will ask you, you see that my NIN and everything has been verified. So I will just need to put all the necessary information asking from me. Then I will click on here to upload some information, which any document they ask me to provide. So maybe if it's actually property documents or rental or house document or utility bill, if you are using, maybe you have electricity that is actually recent one, which if you did 3 months, then you can actually be able to use it. That is how you can create a paper account here in Nigeria. And to know more about this information, I will want you to subscribe to my channel and to know more. Thank you so much.